Hello, it's Nick from Affiliate Marketing Info channel. It's the new product will be launched on September 14th and 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The product is called as digital income publishing course. What is this course is about? Let's take a look at the sales page. If you have do you have publishing low quality books for luxury? It is not very comfortable for than you thought, and you will discover how to turn a few hours a week into a profitable publishing business, just like thousands of other ordinary people. When you grab this passive income publishing course, you will take you every step inside the course and how you can publish your own low content books in just a few hours. So let us take a look. This is also the we will publish the low context book on the platform is Kindle. As you can see, Kindle is a large network. You can publish your book. As you see, many schools tell you can publish your books, but this is not something you will never have to afford it. Or some people will heard of it because this is not a normal books e-book. You will have to write many contests, and you will have the 10 to 12 over 10,000 words and also disciplines chapter and also have also many analysis. This is also not difficult. This is because this is a low content books. If you have no idea content books, this is something like puzzle book. For example, the puzzle book you can download and also find the puzzle and also have some solution. This is such about 20 to 24 books is about we will set part 1 is the puzzle, part 2 is just a solution. That's it. This is very simple and easy to use how to publish your low content books on Kindle platform. And the second part is you don't have to buy any extra things because everyone want to search on Amazon. They are ready to buy something on Amazon. If you tap into this large networks, they are the people go to search something on Amazon. They are ready to buy. They are buyers. You will get much traffic from this huge network. So this is also you will get how to publish your low content books on Amazon. This is an introduction, a very short introduction. And if you are new to this course will teach you how to do this. And let's take a look. Take a look. What is low content books on sales on Amazon? You will see them how many estimated moving will launch monthly sale, and also they have how many sales they will get. This is all low content. You will see them scroll down for the sale to see what was included in the down sale. And also you will the basic this is the front end is the basic you have you have 7 modules. Let's take a look at the 7 module. Module number 1 is introduction, and what is KDP? KDP is the Kindle Direct Publishing. What is the pro and con? What are the low content books? What you should focus on your customer? Why quality is over quantity is important, and how to achieve both. And module 2 is the research to the methods of niche research. How to find profitable niche. Come up with books idea. Module number 3 is planning. Planning how to get started. How to plan your book cover and plan your book interior. Module number 4 is creating design fundamental software to make it easier how to create interior pages. Module number 5 is preparing for publication. We do write a proper computing description, understanding Amazon categories, how to add extra categories, how to pick the best keywords, how to use keywords effectively. Module number 6 is uploading and publishing, setting up your KDP account, how to complete book details, how to complete keyword boxes for maximum result. The final module is final thought. They will know your what and why, and stay organized, admin and bookkeeping, staying out of trouble. All of them you will get all this and with the vendor also have some exclusive bonus for you when you pick up his products. They had help you out. He have bonus number one is 5 days to publish books. This is really over $500. Bonus number two is graphic templates. This is also varies over $500. This is the bonus number three is over 600 activity book interior pages. They are included this exclusive bonus that will help you more to when you grab this product. It is also very affordable, just $9.97. You will get all of this. This is pretty awesome. Not only you will get this program is a very low price, and also his bonus. By the way, I also have included some exclusive bonus for you. Don't forget, you will go on my exclusive bonus in the description. The first link is my bonus page. When you go this my exclusive page, you will get all my exclusive bonus. What exclusive bonus I offer for you? Let's take a look at what is the passive income and publishing costs are all about. It was passive income. You will get and you will have no special skills, including a self-publishing business, publishing like a low-content books on Kindle platform. Passive income publishing platform, we will learn how you can quickly and easily do this without wasting time or money. Just this is very awesome, and you can go on you will get 7 modules to explain the detail what you should go. Is $9.97. I have also exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number one is 5 Amazon ideas. 5 you will get 5 Amazon KDP low contact books idea. Bonus number two is 15 KDP books how to you can make $100 per day with no design skill. Bonus number three is the profitable KDP niches in 2020. How to find profitable KDP low content niches to this year. Bonus number four is the book interiors video. How to make profitable KDP low content book interiors fast and easy. Bonus number five is the free tools for KDP niche research. This is the number one free tools for low content book niche research for your KDP publishing course. Bonus number six, you will have about puzzle book money. How to make money with low content puzzle books in 2020. Bonus number seven is a step to start your KDP business. How to upload low content KDP books to Amazon and start your KDP publishing business. Bonus number 8, you will get maximum performance for KDP books. Optimize your low content books for maximum performance. And I also included another additional bonus for you. Additional bonus number one is low content books ideas. Performance for KDP books, 6 ways to come up with low content books idea. Additional bonus number 2, Amazon advertising sponsor products tutorial. How to promote your low context book on Amazon. Additional bonus number 3 is self-publishing master guide. You will get how to find profitable keywords niche and the ebook description ready for you to copy and paste and also word by word questions to ask writing. This is also a very awesome bonus for you. This is really 197. You will get all the vendor bonus in the sales page. Don't forget you should get this product before this countdown timer hit 0. When you press this blue button and go through the sales page and purchase it, you will get all my exclusive bonus inside the Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus, the purchase file. When you click this blue button, you will get all my exclusive bonus for you. Don't forget you can get all my exclusive bonus and in the description. The first link is my bonus page. So let's take a look. What upsell they have. Lastly, let's take a look. What inside for the upsell is only 4 upsell. Upsell number 1 is passive income acceleration. So this is $27. You can create hundreds of books with this acceleration package. which means you will save a lot of time and build your publishing much faster. Upsell number is passive income publishing cover template is $37. With this done for you a cover template, you can have unique cover ready quickly, simple as 1, 2, 3. It is also included a step-by-step tutorial video showing how to edit the template easily and quickly create your unique covers. It is also included some editing tool is free. You don't have any sign up as long. And on. It is also I will highly recommend you to grab this upsell number 1 and upsell number 2. You will save a lot of time and money. Upsell number 3 is passive income publishing done for you package. If you with the done for you package, you don't have to do anything. Everything you will receive ready to publish and publish. How does it work? Step 1, submit a ticket. Step 2, choose your niche. Step 3, they will deliver all of them for you. Everything is done for you. If you have extra money and you will have more easily for you to publish anything, and you don't have to do anything. They have done everything for you. This is $97. The last upsell is upsell number 4. Passive income publishing the VIP cup. This is $10 per month. What you will get monthly VIP cup. With new campaigns and material to save you money every month, you will able to systematically build a successful self-publishing business. Can provide passive income for the rest of your life. You will get 2 profitable niches every month. 31 interior pages for journey, etc. 100 activity box interior pages. You will get discount on unique cover and interiors created specially for you. This is just $10. If you want to have more and more account idea and all more exclusive, I highly recommend you can grab this upsell. This is no-brainer. Just $10 per month. You will get very exclusive. Everything is done for you. So what is the benefit you will get? It's just our you will create your publish your low contact KDB book. Start your business. And walk you through every step and every process in the process. This is no-brainer. It is the upsell. You will get all my exclusive bonus that will include a vendor exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. You will get all my exclusive bonus even if you just purchase the front end just for $9.95 inside the Warrior purchase file. When you click this blue button, you will get all my exclusive bonus. So why don't you do this? It is under $10. We will very exclusive bonus also to create a passive income for the rest of the life. So thanks for taking time to check out my review and my exclusive bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I have more marketing and review marketing tips for you, as well as some new products coming launch review for you. Don't forget to check out my review and bonus, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.